Hello children, in the last class I have taught you in this chapter file management and introduction. What is file, how to create it, how to save it. Today we will learn how to open a saved file and about file management. So let's start with the steps of how to open a file. So to open a file, the step 1 is click on the file tab and select the open option. Step 2, the open window will appear. Step 3, select the location where the file is saved. Step 4, select the name of the file from the list. And step 5, click on the open button, your picture will appear. So let me show you how to open it in a computer. So as I have told in the last class how to start it, first click on the start button, go for accessories on the top, then go for paint, open it. Okay, so we have to open the saved one. So what we will do, we will go for the file tab. Step 1, go to file tab, select open. When you will open, you will see the things you have in your desktop, whatever you have saved in your desktop. There we have saved the last class practical one. So we will see for the name that we have given, the name was color. So you go for that file, see this is your paint, this is your color. So you click on it and then click on open. See, this file we have made on the last class. So how to open it? Go for the file tab, go for open. There you will select where you have choose the last class file on desktop. So choose desktop. All the names which are on the desktop will come appear here. You go for the name which you have given. We have given color. See, this one is your color. Just click it and open it. See. So like this you can open the saved file in your computer. Then we can read. Now we will go for file management. As you can see in this computer, see so many files are there. Here I have kept here and there. So we have to keep them in a way so that it is easy for us to find the file. So this is known as your file management. When you will keep all this file in a row or a column in a perfect way, then you can easily find whichever files you want to use. So that is known as your file management. As in book it is written, we can see a large number of files spread all over our desktop screen. So in order to find the file easily, we arrange them properly. The arrangement of files on a desktop screen is called file management. Okay, so the arrangement of files on your desktop screen or your laptop is known as your file management. See, one computer etiquette is given. It is written that keep your files organized, place them in proper folder if required. So you should keep your file organized and in a proper folder. I hope children you have understood what is a file, how to create, how to save and how to open a saved file and what is a file management. Oh, thank you.